In this video, I will walk you through a detailed Trijuv Serum review to help you decide if this potent anti-aging formula is the right fit for your skincare routine. When comparing this to other standard hyaluronic acid serums on the market, the standout difference is the focus on cellular defense and long-term structural support. While many products simply hydrate the surface, the Trijuv Serum Age Defense is built around a specialized Nephoria complex. This specific blend aims to protect the skin from environmental stressors while actively working on fine lines. In a side-by-side look at its efficacy, we see a clear trade-off. Most budget serums offer immediate plumping via simple humectants, but this formula focuses on a more sophisticated preventative approach. It targets the deeper signs of aging rather than just providing a temporary moisture boost. This makes it a winner for those looking for comprehensive age defense, though it might be more of an investment than a basic moisturizer. For users who prioritize advanced ingredients like the ones listed on the Amazon storefront, the Trijuv Serum provides a more technical solution to skin elasticity. Watching how it absorbs compared to thicker creams shows that it is designed for layering and daily resilience. Whether you are dealing with early fine lines or deep environmental damage, understanding these ingredient contrasts is key. If you found this comparison helpful for your skincare journey, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dives into top-rated beauty products. Drop a comment below and let me know if you have tried this complex yet.